If a man and woman marry through mere desire and sexual attraction, rather like the attraction one might have to a prostitute, without knowing the other person's character or holding them with respect, they will love each other only as long as their desire remains strong. But once the novelty of excitement has faded, if love does not go hand in hand with deep and mutual admiration, it becomes difficult to live together in harmony. This type of love is blind. After a while, it often turns into opposite. If the couple have children, then the children too run the risk of being unloved. It is very important to reflect on these things when one wishes to live with someone.